FloatSki review. Does this water ski gadget actually work, or is it just hype? If you've seen the FloatSki online and wondered whether this compact water gadget actually works, you're not alone. The advertising makes some impressive claims, but there are important reasons to look carefully before spending your money. If you're interested in checking out this product, I've tagged it in this video, and you can find it through the product link in the description. FloatSki is marketed as a compact electric watercraft, with online listings claiming speeds of around 19 miles per hour, a rider capacity of up to 350 pounds, and around 90 minutes of battery runtime. Those numbers sound impressive, especially for a product advertised at a relatively low price. But the biggest issue is that these claims are difficult to independently verify. There isn't enough reliable information from established manufacturers or independent testing to confidently confirm the advertised speed, range, or overall performance. Some online listings also provide inconsistent information about the product, including different descriptions and specifications. That means buyers should be cautious about assuming that promotional videos accurately represent what they will actually receive. And because this is a motorized product designed for use on water, safety is especially important. Before buying something like this, you should be able to verify the manufacturer, operating instructions, battery specifications, warranty, safety information, and any applicable certifications. Another concern is support. With lesser-known products, getting replacement parts, customer service, or warranty assistance can be much more difficult than with an established watercraft manufacturer. So does FloatSki actually work, or is it just hype? Based on the information currently available, there isn't enough reliable evidence for me to recommend it based on the advertised performance claims. If you're interested in an electric watercraft, I'd recommend choosing a product from an established manufacturer with clearly documented specifications, safety information, and verifiable customer support. If you want to check the latest details or buy this product, I've tagged it in the video, and you can find the product link in the description. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know what you think about FloatSki.